Welcome to the first section of the South Dakota 4-H Volunteer Orientation. Thank you for your dedication to positive youth development and quality learning experiences. This section will review how the 4-H system is organized from the national level. We'll also review a brief history of 4-H and 4-H's guiding principles. In 1863, Congress passed the Morrill Act, establishing the land-grant college system, which led to South Dakota State University being established in 1881. Land-grant universities looked for ways to share research with the public and found youth to be an ideal audience. Through tomato clubs and corn clubs, youth were able to participate in hands-on learning experiences as a way to learn about agriculture. Meanwhile, in 1902, A.B. Graham started a youth program in Ohio. This program is considered the birth of the 4-H program in the United States. In South Dakota, Minnehaha resident William Mayer organized the earliest South Dakota Boys Club in 1906 or 1907. With the Smith-Lever Act of 1914, with the creation of the Cooperative Extension Services at the United States Department of Agriculture. The act tasked land-grant universities in each state to get the university to the people, including the concept of boys and girls club work. Later, those became known as 4-H clubs, focusing on head, heart, hand, and health. In 1924, the official 4-H and Clover were adopted. 4-H has evolved to include both urban and rural youth and has expanded beyond agriculture. Today, 4-H in South Dakota teaches life skills and leadership in youth centered around the outcome areas of social, leadership, life, workforce, and positive youth development. 4-H is authorized by the U.S. Congress and is the responsibility of the U.S. Department of Agriculture. The National Institute for Food and Agriculture manages and oversees the program. Each 4-H program is under the authority of the state land-grant university. In South Dakota, that means South Dakota State University. Governance of the program is assigned to SDSU Extension. The USDA establishes regulations related to the use of the 4-H name and emblem, and accountability standards related to program quality. Legal authority of the South Dakota 4-H program rests with the director of SDSU Extension within the College of Agriculture, Food, and Environmental Science. The South Dakota 4-H program administers the program and is an employee of SDSU Extension. As a program of the university, South Dakota 4-H must abide by rules and policies established by the USDA, South Dakota Board of Regents, South Dakota State University, and SDSU Extension. In South Dakota, local 4-H programs also work with county governments to implement programming. The South Dakota 4-H program is supported by an integrated staffing model that includes a state event management team, field specialists who focus on curriculum and training, and 4-H advisors who focus on youth development, education, and volunteer development at the county and community level. The state 4-H staff located in Brookings are tasked with state event management, assistance to counties, and managing larger partnerships with the extension and the university. Staff include the state event coordinator, state agri workforce coordinator, 4-H field operations coordinator, 4-H safety field specialist, and the 4-H regional program advisor located in Rapid City. These individuals work to coordinate all state and national events that the state 4-H members participate in. The local 4-H youth program advisors work with youth specific to their location. They strive to ensure that a premium, high-quality 4-H experience is available to every youth who seeks to participate. 4-H youth program advisors also assist with statewide programs, events, and activities. Field specialists. The principal role of field specialists is to support the mission of SDSU Extension and their department, college, and university. As members of academic departments, field specialists have an integral part in making the connection between research and teaching. All are expected to be involved in applied research, scholarship, or creative activity, which are essential in supporting relevant, vibrant, and effective extension and outreach programs. Some field specialists are designated for 4-H and youth programming. Others focus on SDSU's extension goals of audiences such as adults across the state. Field specialists are located in the regional centers located in Aberdeen, Sioux Falls, Mitchell, Lemon, Pierre, Winter, and Rapid City. Some counties employ 4-H program assistants. Their duties vary according to the needs of the county and the directives of the county commission. County secretaries also provide 4-H program support as directed by the youth program advisors and county commissions. Each county may form a 4-H Leaders Association. This organization consists of 4-H club leaders, 4-H volunteers, parents, and special interest groups, and the 4-H after-school club leaders. The organization must have a constitution and bylaws. In cooperation with county 4-H program advisors, this group makes decisions about 4-H county events, programs, awards, and policies. Policies that are adopted may not conflict or contradict any state 4-H policies or procedures. It is the responsibility of each county under the directive of the 4-H program advisor to have a 4-H promotion and expansion committee. This committee is charged with strengthening and expanding 4-H opportunities for youth, particularly youth who have not had full access to the program before. South Dakota 4-H programs are open to everyone. This committee works to ensure that a plan of action is in place to increase minority participation and to assure a continuing condition of non-discrimination. South Dakota 4-H works under 4 guiding principles. These principles outline the public and private partnerships that support 4-H youth development program. Positive youth development creates context and content for a positive youth development program, such as 4-H, subscribing to a set of essential elements characteristic of high-quality youth development. Youth and adult partnerships connect youth and caring adults as partners in planning and striving for individual and community change. Learning experiences integrate knowledge, skills, and behavior of formal and non-formal education strategies. They develop and evaluate intentional learning experiences. Youth potential matches those needs, interests, abilities, and culture norms of young people, their families, and their communities to quality education experiences. South Dakota 4-H also has a belief statement. For children and youth, we believe that 4-H advances the acquisition of positive life skills through experiential learning. 4-H contributes to the development and critical communication skills, including the ability to interact with others, to speak and write with clarity, and to utilize technology with competence. 4-H empowers youth to be independent thinkers who are developing their critical thinking, problem solving, and decision-making skills. 4-H encourages young people to become good citizens through leadership development, volunteerism, and community service. 4-H also promotes the involvement of youth in community building and equal partnerships by working closely with adults. This concludes our first section of the South Dakota 4-H volunteer orientation. Thank you so much for being with us today. To receive credit and complete this section, please return to the course module and complete the Section 1 review questions.